Product type: auto part. Package quantity: 1. Package weight: 0.5 pounds. Country of origin: China. Top reviews from the United States. Fixed. I have a 2004 Ford Expedition Eddie Bauer 5.4L that was randomly dying while driving down the road multiple times daily. I never would have guessed that it would be this relay. I replaced the idle air control valve, one of the hoses coming from the intake, etc., but the problem persisted. Finally, after reading on some of the forums, I decided to try replacing this relay. It is the fuel pump relay. I really didn't think it would work, but the vehicle started right up and hasn't had the problem since. I am amazed. Update. If you're in the same situation as me above, 04 Expedition 5.4L, and this part only temporarily fixes the problem, I recommend biting the bullet and purchasing a new fuse panel. This relay failed shortly after posting my initial review. At that point, I tried another new relay and still no start. I then ordered a new fuse panel, $400, and the problem hasn't returned. The fuse panel isn't difficult to replace. It took me about 30 minutes. There are videos on YouTube.